Maranatha Borborbor.
Yesu bona.
Maranatha Borborbor.
Yesu bona.
Maranatha Borborbor.
Yesu bona.
We are Maranatha Borborbor Group from Awudome Anyanawase. Awudome Anyanawase serve as a gateway to the Volta regional capital. We are people, we love nature, and we are very sociable. As years pass, Borborbor being our traditional music faded from the system, and it took an intervention of some 3 youth to reform the Borborbor Group. The Borborbor Group, which is Maranatha, was formed in the early 2019. The same year that it was introduced, there was a king competition organized by our late Madam Jifa Ativo, who used to be the former transport minister, organized a king competition in the Volta region. The competition was divided into 3 parts: the central, the eastern, and the western. Maranatha Borborbor Group take a key part in the competition. God being so good, we won. We went to the all play all, which is the bazooka Borborbor competition in the regional capital being Ho. God being so good, we also stand tall. Since then, Maranatha Borborbor Group, there's no weekend that they will not go to a program. From there, it became a ringing tone. Let me say Aiko to Togbegan, the paramount chief of our Awudome traditional area. Togbe Jani, the 13th. Our elders said, whenever we stand tall, it is because of those who come before us. Let me also use this opportunity to acknowledge our forefathers, the founding members of Maranatha Borborbor Group, Mr. Felix Senwame, Mr. Felix Chire, Honorable Assembly Member, who is the co-founder of Maranatha Borborbor Group, the former Assembly Member for Anyanawase Electoral Area. Let me also use this opportunity to greet and salute Professor Aku, Sena. All these people I have mentioned and many more are the 4 founders and the bedrock of Maranatha Borborbor Group. Maranatha Borborbor Group is a versatile group. We don't only play Borborbor, but we play Agbaja, Adoa, Ziggy, Tuji, Asafo, and many more. We urge you wherever you are to vote for Maranatha Borborbor Group as the winner for 2025 Borborbor Championship. Kindly vote for Maranatha Borborbor Group
With the short code *920 *922 hash. *920 *922 hash.
And select number 16.
Maranatha Borborbor Group Trogbimami Special. With your vote, we believe we will become the best in the Volta region. Maranatha Borborbor, Jesus is coming. Thank you.